Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to your EVS class, and we are going to learn the golden words and some good habits today. Okay, so let's begin. So the first word what we studied last time was thank you. Then we studied sorry. So all these are golden words. Whenever we need to use them, we have to use all these words. When somebody gives you something, we say thank you. When we have done some mistake, that time we say sorry. When we want something, we will say please. Then if we sneeze or if we want to speak in between, that time we use excuse me. Early in the morning when we meet somebody, we say good morning. In the afternoon when you come to school, that time you say good afternoon teacher. Yes or no, remember? Good afternoon. Then when going home, while going home from school, you say good evening teacher. Sham hoti hai, that time we use good evening. And then night time when we go to sleep, we say good night everyone. Then when we meet somebody, we say hello, hi. This is an informal way of saying hello. Okay, this is informal way of greeting somebody. Hello, hi. So all these words we have already written in the notebook. Yes. And you are going to revise all of these words. So these are the good manners or good golden words what we have learnt. Excuse me, thank you, I'm sorry, you're welcome, please, may I. So again, these are again some of the golden words. Hello, excuse me, please, goodbye, I'm sorry, thank you. But whenever we use all these words, we have to be polite. Polite मतलब हमें अच्छे से बात करना है, रूडली नहीं बोलना. हाँ थैंक यू, किसी ने हमें कुछ दिया तो अच्छे से उसको थैंक यू बोलो. थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ थैंक यू, ऐसे नहीं बोलते. नो, बी पोलाइट व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग. So now we are going to learn a new topic, and the topic for today is good manners. We are going to learn some good manners today. First, we will learn some good habits or some habits which are for our personal hygiene. Okay. So the first is the oral hygiene. That is, when you get up early in the morning, you are supposed to brush your teeth. Then you will take your bath properly. Okay. Bathing is also very important. और वो रोज करना है. Okay. Many times what you do, आज नहीं नहाते, कंटाला आ रहा है. No, this is not correct. You have to take your bath daily. Then you have to take care of your hair properly. Nicely shampoo your hair, dry them properly, and put oil also. That is very important. Then foot hygiene. Sometimes your toenails are so big and there is so much of dirt collected inside. So also always cut your toenails and your fingernails properly. Then you have to wash your hands properly. When you go to the washroom, you have to wash your hands properly, nicely with soap and water. Then when you are coughing and sneezing, always keep a handkerchief along with you. And always help mama to keep the house clean. That is a very, very good habit. Then is the respecting elders. Yes, you must be having your grandparents at your home. Yes, and we are supposed to always respect them. We are supposed to listen to them properly. Whenever they need some help, we have to help them. That will make you a good child. Okay. When they want a glass of water, you're going to bring a glass of water for them. When they want to go out, always hold their hand and take them out so that they do not fall down. because they are your parents' parent. Okay, आपके मम्मी पापा के भी मम्मी पापा है your grandparents. So they are very elder to us and we have to respect them. Then is sharing. Teacher always tells you sharing is caring. So when in the school, if your friend they do not have their tiffin, always share your tiffin with them. When your friends come home, share your toys with them. वो आपने अपने फ्रेंड को घर पे बुलाया पर आप उसको अपने टॉयज दे ही नहीं रहे हो, तो विल ही लाइक दैट? वो खेलेगा आपके साथ? नो. सो यू हैव टू शेयर योर टॉयज. If you have one chocolate with you and you are two siblings, so always do half-half. Half-half करना चाहिए. Always share your things. Then eating habits. Always eat properly. Whenever you eat, see to it that you do not drop the food down. That's a very, very bad habit of dropping the food down. When you're eating, eat properly. Even your clothes should not get dirty. फ्लोर पे तो गिरना ही नहीं चाहिए. When you eat properly, eat when always concentrate on what you are eating. Do not look here and there while you are eating. And always eat healthy food. And chew your food properly. Food जब भी खाते हैं अच्छे से चबा चबा के खाना चाहिए. Not like you are watching something in the TV. आपकी मम्मी आपको फीड कर रही है, फटाफट खिला रही है और आप सिर्फ अंदर गल्प कर रहे हो. No, that is not correct. Nicely chew your food and then only gulp the food down. Then bad habits. What are the bad habits you have to avoid? Do not fight with anybody. किसी के साथ झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए. झगड़ा करना is totally a bad habit. No. किसी के बाल खींचना, किसी को मारना, किसी को धक्का देना, थप्पड़ मारना. No. All these things, who do all these things? The bad children do all these things, and we all are good children. Yes or no? So we are not going to do all these things. Then watch the TV, but इतना आगे से नहीं, पीछे से देखना चाहिए. आगे जाके टीवी देखेंगे, see like that boy who is watching the TV in the slide, ऐसे देखेंगे, so how will it be? हमारी आंखें खराब हो जाएगी. Yes or no? So always avoid this habit. Then animal cruelty. No, this is also very bad. Always animals को अच्छे से रखना चाहिए. We don't have to hit them और उनको धक्का मारने का, उनको मारने का, उनको लात मारने का. No, all these are bad habits. We are not going to do all these things. Okay? And always respect them. Always respect the animals. Then only they will respect you. Because अगर आप उनको मारोगे and next time you are walking और उसने आपको देखा, तो what that animal will do? He might come and bite you. Yes or no? अगर वो bite करेगा तो हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा. We need to take injections. So it is good that you do not mess with any animals around with you. So now we are going to do some exercise in our EVS activity book. So all open your EVS activity book to page number 49. So you are going to open this page. This is a EVS activity book and see the heading, match the golden words to the correct picture. Now here you have to see the picture and then we will see the word and then we will match it. See now this boy, he wants something. उसको कुछ चाहिए. Yes. So this boy, I think he wants the book. So he is saying, this boy, please मुझे एक book दे दो. So what is he using? He is using please. So we are going to match it with please. Then when we sneeze something, when we sneeze or when we speak in between two people, we use the word excuse me. So here is the word excuse me. So we are going to match this. Oh, this girl has got some gift. उसको gift दिया है. So what she will say? She will say thank you. So we are going to match this. Then down again see some pictures. Now see this boy has broken the glass of this uncle. वो cricket खेल रहा था तो उसके ball से किसी का glass टूट गया है. So what he will say? He will say, sorry uncle, मुझसे भूल से ग्लास टूट गया. Then early morning when we get up, what do we say? We say, good morning. And night time when we go to sleep, we say, good night. Okay, so nicely match this. This is your assignment. After this, you are going to turn the page to page number 5050. Okay. So here, what is the thing? Circle the pictures that show good manners. अभी जो भी good manners के pictures है, आपको उसको circle करना है. Okay. So see, this boy is taking the dog for a walk. But उसका face देखो, dog उधर भाग रहा है और उसको खींच रहा है. So is this a good thing? No, dog को वहां जाने तो उसको लेके जाना चाहिए ना वहां पे. So he is not listening to the dog and ये नहीं अच्छा है picture. So we are not going to do this circling. Now see this, there is a girl who is helping the grandfather to sit in the place properly. Yes, this is a good manner. So we are going to circle the whole box nicely. Then see the second one. This girl has some biscuits and she is sharing the biscuit with his friend. So this is a good habit. We are going to circle this. Okay. Oh no, these two children, they are fighting, this girl and boy. See? So no, this is not a good habit. Now see the next picture. These two children, they are eating nicely. They are sitting properly. They are eating their food properly. कुछ भी नीचे नहीं गिरा रहे हैं. Yes, this is a good habit. So circle this. Then see, this boy is watching TV till late night. अभी देखो कितने बज गए हैं. Oh my God, रात हो गई है तो भी ये बच्चा टीवी देख रहा है. उठ ही नहीं रहा है वहां पे. No, this is a bad habit. रात को लेट तक टीवी नहीं देखना चाहिए. So this is a bad habit. So we are not going to circle this. So children, this is your assignment, the matching and the circling activity. You will do this properly. Okay. So my dear children, thank you so much for the class today. You all will do the assignment nicely. Click the photograph and send it to me. Bye-bye. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day.